In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Widevine DRM in the Brave browser. If you've ever tried to stream a movie or TV show and got a message saying protected content can't play, this quick guide will fix that by turning on Widevine, the technology many streaming sites use for DRM protected video. First, open the Brave browser and head to the main menu. Look at the top right corner of the window for the three-line menu icon, often called the hamburger menu. Click it, and then choose Settings from the list. This takes you into Brave's Control Center, where we can make the change. Once you're in Settings, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Extensions. This page manages features and integrations that can be turned on or off to tailor your browsing experience. Now, we're going to locate the Widevine option. You can scroll through the list, but the fastest way is to use the Settings search bar at the top and type the word DRM. That should surface the Widevine entry right away. If you don't see a search bar, simply scan the extensions page for an item labeled Widevine or something that mentions allowing protected content. When you find Widevine, you'll see a toggle next to it. Click the toggle to enable it. It may be labeled Allow, and turning it on lets sites play protected videos and audio. This doesn't change your privacy settings broadly, it just authorizes the playback technology required by many major streaming platforms. As soon as you switch it on, Brave will likely prompt you to relaunch the browser so the change can take effect. Go ahead and click Relaunch. Brave will close and then reopen your windows and tabs automatically so you can pick up right where you left off. If you had important pages open, don't worry. Brave typically restores them for you after the relaunch. After Brave comes back, Widevine is enabled and you should be ready to stream protected content without those annoying errors. If you still run into issues, double check that the toggle remains on and that you're signed in to your streaming service. Also note that settings can be profile specific, so make sure you enabled Widevine in the profile you're using. That's it, quick, simple, and effective. Now you know how to enable Widevine DRM in Brave so your favorite shows and movies can play smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.